Good morning, students. Actually, this is just topic. Actually, we starts as yesterday encoder. So today onwards, the encoders is completed in today class. Okay. So this is the second part of encoder, and first part is completed in yesterday's class. Primary priority encoder is the first part, and second encoder is today. So the screen was not open. So I'll move to next page. See. So the next topic is decimal to binary. Decimal to BCD encoder. Okay, so decimal to BCD encoder. So this type of encoder has a 10 inputs actually. Okay, decimal, because decimal to BCD, BCD means we have 0 to 9. So that is total 10. Okay, 10 input lines. So that is the reason. So decimal to binary BCD encoder have a, actually this type of encoder has a 10 inputs and 4 outputs corresponding to BCD code. Okay, so the key points of this equation, I'll write the key points here. So I'll use the bypass the screen. Okay. So the key points. First one, this type of encoder, has a 10 inputs, and 4 outputs corresponding to the BCD code. Okay, so this type of encoder is generally a decimal to BCD encoder. So this type of encoder has a 10 inputs, because we have 10 decimal numbers actually from 0 to 9. So that's why 10 inputs, and there is a 4 outputs, that's called A, B, C, D, like otherwise A0, A1, A2, A3. Okay, you can take anyway, no problem. A, B, C, D or inputs, or A0, A1, A2, A3. You can take 4 outputs as well as 9 inputs. Okay, so generally see here the table, I'll draw the one table. So that table shows the relation between decimal and BCD codes. Okay, generally I draw that draw the diagram. See, block the actual truth table, actually that is called truth table. Okay, truth table. So direct to truth table only I'll explain. Okay, so the truth table is, these are the digital numbers. So this is 1 input, output, 2, 3, 4. So these are nothing but decimal digital display, decimal digital display, decimal digital display, and this is BCD code, BCD code. Okay, your outputs are A0, A1, A2, A3. Okay, and your decimal number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 0. So simply I take 10, total 10 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the first number I'll write 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the decimal number starts from 0 to 9. So total 10 inputs. Okay, so here we are considered 10 inputs, and simply write what all zeros means. The outputs, BCD outputs, all are nothing but zeros only. Okay, why? Because if you convert a decimal number into binary, then it is a 0 from almost all inputs are 0. So if you 1 is nothing but 1 0 0. Okay, so similarly this is a 0 1 0 0. Okay, and this is 1 1 1 1 0 0. So 4 0 1 0 0. And fifth one 0 . So simply write all zeros 1 1. Okay, and similarly 4 zeros 1, 4 ones, and 2 zeros. Okay, and this is 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. Right, last one 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is the actual truth table of decimal number. We will convert decimal numbers into a corresponding digital number. So this is a decimal number, it is corresponding digital number. So for suppose if 6 is there, you will convert 6 is a digital number to, okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. Okay, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So you take the digital code like that. So 1 1 0. Okay, after that there is no, this is the 4 digits number, this is the 3 digit, so you will write 100. So you 6C. Right, sorry, it will be change. Once again I'll do some mistake. Okay, so this is actually a digital number 6. Okay, so for suppose 6 decimal number converted into digital number, decimal is converted to digital, so divided by 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 is remainder 0, and 2 3s are 2 1s are 2. Okay, remainder is 1. Okay, so this is 1 1 0. Actually see 0 1 1, so remaining fourth output is simply 0. Okay, so this is represent A0, and this is A1 value, this is A2 value. Okay, and this is A4. So this is 1 0 0, actually 0 1 1. Why I am writing here, I start here only. So direction of the binary code representation is like direction. Okay, so that's why I'll write this direction 1 1 0. So this is represent for A0, this is A1, this is A2. Okay, so therefore the fourth terminal you simply put 0. So see the sixth decimal 0 1 1 0. Okay, is it correct? So this is the way to convert digital numbers into this decimal number. Okay, so there is a binary code information. This binary code information is converted by this digital number only. The conversion of binary to decimal, decimal to binary conversion I use. Decimal to binary conversion. Okay, understand? So see this graph once again. See this truth table. Depends upon this truth table only I can explain everything. See here, we have a two type of significance are there. The most significant bit, okay, and the least significant bit. So two types of bits are there. Okay, that is called most significant bit and the least significant bit. So this is called MSB. We are called as MSB. Okay, so first points wise I'll write from this truth table. Okay, see next page I'll move to. Please note everybody, I'll move to next page. See, actually, here one is called most significant bit, significant bit. Okay, so this is called as MSB, and 0 is called least most. Okay, least significant bit. So it is called LSB. Okay, so here we are consider always most significant bit only. See here, for suppose if you consider A3 output, A3 output, in A3 output only the most significant bit represents only decimals 8 and 9, decimal 8 and 9. Understand? So the most significant bit only consider 8 and 9, 8 and 9 decimal numbers. Similarly, from A2 input, the most significant bit is considered, so the one high. Where is the high number? For 4 indicates 1, 5 indicates 1, 6 indicates 1, 7 indicates 1. So this is the actually A2 output most significant bit. So these are all represented by OR function only. Okay, so therefore output A0 is A3 is given by 8 plus 9. Similarly, output of A2 is given by, okay, 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, because the most significant bits are represented by OR notation. See, in this A3, the most significant bit is 2, 3. Similarly, 6 and 7. Similarly, A0 is the most significant bit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, where is we put the 1, that 1 is represent MSB. Okay, so what 1 is represent MSB. So here the output always consider most significant bit only. So whatever the most significant bit is there, then that most significant bit is represent the OR functioning of the digital value. Okay, so simply I write the key points. See, from the truth table I write these points. From truth table, okay, see the points I write were continuously here. So the first point we observed that the most significant bit MSB of BCD code is A3. So the most significant MSB, the most significant MSB of BCD code is A3. Okay, and it is 1, and it is 1. Okay, and it is 1 for decimal digits, and it is 1 for decimal digit, digits 8 or 9. Okay, so 8 or 9 actually. See, in this graph we represent only 8 plus 9, 8 or 9. So it is high. So A3 is high, means most significant bit, that is represent decimal number 8. All the similar way A3 is represent 1 for 9 bit also, 9 decimal number also. So that's why the most significant MSB of BCD code is A3, and it is 1 for decimal digits 8 and 9. So the expression of A3, the expression for A3 in terms of decimal digit, in terms of decimal digit, can be written as A3 is equal to 8 plus 9. So this is the actual output I'll write in terms of decimal number. Okay, so generally we consider in this decimal to BCD encoder, I consider only the most significant bit only. I preferred most significant bit. So in this chart, where the most significant bit is present, that is called 8 decimal and 9 decimal. So that's why your output A3 is represent addition of 8 plus 9. So that is always the state represented by most significant bit. So in each case, I'll write the same points I expressed here. The first A3 I'll write here. So this is actually A3, okay, A3. So I'll write A3. So first of all, I represent the most significant of BCD code is A3, and it is given by 1. So for decimal digits 8 or 9. So the expression for A3 in terms of decimal digits can be written as A3 into A3. A3 is nothing but 8 plus 9. So similarly, you can represent bit A2. So right now A3 is over bit A2. A2 of BCD code is always 2 for digital, So A2 BCD code is always sorry, not 2, actually it is 1 for, see, decimal digits, because only one high. Okay, in high condition I'll consider bit 8 of BCD code is always 1 for decimal digit, actually decimal digit. Okay, so this is right. Bit A2 of BCD code is always 1 for decimal digit 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and they can be expressed A2 is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So this is the output of that decimal number. And the third point is simply for A3 is over, A2 is over. Right now A2. Okay, A3 is over, A2 is over. Right now bit A1. Bit A1 of BCD code is always 1 for decimal digits 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 7. See, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 7 only high. So in this chart, see, 2, 3 is high and 6, 7 is high. So adding of all this will give it. They can be expressed A1 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. So this is the point. Okay, so right now the fourth point for A2. Okay, so fourth point, bit A0 of BCD code is always 1 for decimal digits. See which digits? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so these digits are represents always 1 for bit a0. Okay, so they can be expressed okay, a0 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So these are the representation. See, in this representation, I preferred only the most significant bit of BCD code. So that most significant of BCD code of A3 is always 1. So because in previous class, I consider 1 is the most significant bit and 0 is the least significant bit. But the operation of decimal to BCD encoder, here always I consider only the most significant bit. In this truth table, the 1 is always represent the most significant bit. So every output A3 or A2 or A1, A0, whatever it may be, but every output I consider 1 is the most significant bit of this BCD digit. So A3, so that is represented by OR gate performance of the digital number. So 1 is there, so therefore A3 is represent 8 plus 9 and A2 is represent 4, 5, 6, 7 are the high most significant MSB. So the BCD of this MSB is always represent 4, 5, 6, 7 terminals of digital displays. So that's why A2 is represent 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, A1, the most MSB of A1 is represented of BCD is represent 1, 1 and this is 1, 1, 1 for 2 and 3 and 6, 7. So that's why A1 can be expressed as 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, similarly this is also. So everything I'll write same. Okay, so I'll write here. So therefore we are confined that this is the final output of each terminal. So these are the final output of each BCD output, each terminal or each output of the terminal. So this is the BCD, this is also output. So these are the output of A1, A2, A3, A0, A1, A2, A3. So we can represent this is C. This is the actually output. So the most significant bit for the BCD is A3 and it is 1. For the decimal digits 8, 9. Simply I add the most okay, simply I add the most significant bit by using that truth table. In that truth table only I can find all these things. Right now I want to draw the logic circuit diagram of this most significant bit. Okay, so simply see, I draw the logic circuit. How you draw the logic circuit? So A0 is over right now. First of all, see, logic circuit I explain. So please note everybody, I'll move to logic circuit diagram. I'll move to next page. Okay, the next page, see, now logic circuit diagram. Logic circuit diagram. Okay, logic circuit diagram. How to draw the logic circuit diagram? Actually, here the outputs, once again I'll write all the outputs. See, A3 is nothing but 8 plus 9 only. A2 is nothing but 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, and A1 is 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, and a1 a naught is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So these are the outputs actually. Okay, all these are outputs only, outputs. Okay, so right now I use the logic diagram. First of all, I write all the outputs right now here. So actually I'll consider these are the four OR gates. See, this actually output contains four OR gates. Okay, four OR gates. So that's why first of all I consider four OR gates. See, simply this is one OR gate, and this is second one gate, and this is the third gate, okay, fourth gate. So I'll consider first four OR gates, because this output A is represent A3, okay, and this output is represent A2, and this output is represent A1, and this output is represent A0. So actually the values are, this is nothing but 8 plus 9, and this is nothing but 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, and this is represented by 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7, okay, and this is represented by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So simply, if this is not linked with any one of the output, so this 8 9 is not linked with any one of the output. So that's why I simply consider that. See, first of all I take the outputs, I use the another color for inputs. See, so this is the actual one input, and this is the another input. Okay, right now this input is represented as 9, this is represented 9, this is represented 8. So these are the inputs. Okay, so right now here the inputs are 4 5, so 8 9 is over. Right now this is the seventh input, this is the, okay, seventh input, eighth input, 7 6 7 6 5 4. Okay, okay, so these are the 8 9 7 6 6 5 4 outputs. Okay, see right now, okay, this is over, but whatever this, see, these outputs are interlinked with this remaining number. So here the common, there is no common with these two inputs, are only 2 3. 2 3 is not common with this input. So that's why I represent here, first of all, this is the second and this is the third output. Okay, so this is the second output and third output, because second and third is not common with this inputs. So but 6 and 7, see, 6 and 7 is already I used 6 7. So that's why simply you will consider 2 3. Okay, so right now 4. So here 6 or 7 terminals are there. Simply take from one terminal is connected to 6th terminal, okay, and the 7th terminal, one connected to 7th terminal. So this is actually, okay, is clearly understand everybody how I take the outputs, because 2 3 6 7 is there, but I already in previous gate I use the 6 7 inputs. So simply from 6 7 inputs you can connect it directly by using this. And see, this is a one, only one input is not common. Okay, because it is not common, so simply you will draw, this is the input 1. Okay, But see here remaining all are common because I used already 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inputs. So simply connect. So next one is common, and see this is the actually a second input. So simply take this second input into 3. Okay, so this is a 3, and take another one input 5. So simply this is 5, and it is connected to 5. Okay, simply actually see once again I okay, so it is easy, no problem. So 1 is not common for remaining logic gates, only 3 is common. So therefore simply draw, this is the 3 third input. Okay, so 3 is connected to 3, and 5, so this is the 5, and 5 is simply connected to 5. Okay, and 7 is directly connected to 7, is directly connected to 7th input, and simply 7 after 9, so 9 is directly connected. Oh, so 9 is directly connected to 9 is directly connected to this point. So this is actually logic diagram. Why? Because the terminals actually the common outputs, so common decimal points are I connected simply the common inputs, because first of all 8, 9. So this 8, 9 is connected to this output. Okay, so the output A3 is nothing but 8 plus 9. So this 8, 9 was not connected in previous case, so that's why 8, 9, 8 I'll first draw that. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4 all the terminals you will take, no problem. But here see, the first one is a combination of 3, 5, 7, 9, but 3, 5, 7, 9 already I used here, so that's why simply connected to connection. So this gives the logic circuit diagram of BCD to decimal to BCD encoders. Okay, so here see, for suppose checking process, how to check. Okay, so it is high, it is always equal to 1. Okay, because this is nothing but MSB, and this is nothing but, okay, least significant bit. So this is the least significant bit, this is the most significant bit. From, for suppose you will consider that. Okay, every time you will get only one only. Okay, so how it is checked? So please see that. For suppose if I am consider, if I am consider 9. Okay, so 9 input, then how I will give 9 input. So 9 is nothing but, see in the truth table 9 is nothing but, see 9 is nothing but 1 comma 0 comma 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, simply take 9, 9 is nothing but 1 0 0 1. So this is the ninth, this is a decimal, and this is a binary. So decimal number 9 means binary is 101 only. Okay, so simply that, simply here this is the first terminal A1. If it is get only 9 means, so checking process is not that much of requirement. Okay, so understand everybody, first of all, this is, so this is about logic circuit diagram, and this is the truth table, and this is the BCD to decimal, sorry, so this is called decimal to BCD encoder, and this is the final configuration. So once again I'll, please note everybody, I'll